Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to add your bank account to Kraken. So please watch to the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Kraken, you can use the link down there in the video description below so you can get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Kraken website, what you're going to do is to click deposit cash or withdraw cash, whatever you want to do. But for me, I'm just going to use deposit cash, and of course I need to you need to have a complete verification to deposit. So you can just fill out the verification process, and after filling out all of this one, you now need to choose your payment method. So of course you need to use the bank account or a credit or debit card payment method, and after you click that, you just need to input your information, your credit card and debit card informations, your card number, etc., and that's it. So after you bind your credit card or debit card, you just need to make a transaction or deposit cash, and after that, your cash or your funds will be redirected right here, and also your bank account will be saved as your default payment method. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can add bank account on Kraken. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.